Hello, I'm Blast with MG fans. Today we're gonna show you guys, oh, almost dropped that, how to make chicken wings and chicken drumsticks, and we're gonna air fry them using our EMERIL Lagasse Air Fryer 360. Okay, should be a very easy process. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna marinate some chicken. We're basically just going to season it and put some olive oil on it. We got chicken drumsticks and we have some chicken wings. The process is basically oil, olive oil, a little bit of Santa Maria seasoning, which I'll show you guys which one I use. It's the Santa Maria style seasoning. So we're gonna cover that in olive oil and seasoning, and we're gonna stick it in the air fryer on the air fry dehydrate setting number 4 for a total of 55 minutes at 390, and we're going to flip them at 22.5 minutes. All right, so let's get going and show you guys how to do this. They are absolutely delicious wings. They come out moist and crisp on the outside. You're gonna love them, so give them a try. It's very simple. Just marinate them in some olive oil with your favorite seasoning, in my case the Santa Maria. Stick them in the air fryer and you're done. So let's get going. Alright guys, so we got some olive oil on our wings and some Santa Maria seasoning, and then we've laid them all out into our EMERIL Lagasse Air Fryer 360 basket. We're going to basically have them separated from each other by a little bit if possible, no overlapping, and then we're going to stick them into the air fryer for a total of 46 minutes, okay, at 400 degrees. So we're going to stick them in the number 4 setting on the air fryer. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna stick these right into that slot. As you could see, that brings them to the number 4. And then we're gonna come up here and I'm gonna try to give you guys a view of this display here. So let's select air fry. There we go. We're gonna put it up to 400 degrees with the top left knob, and then we're going to, I'm trying to get you guys to see, we're going to select, let's do 24 minutes at 400 plus another 24 minutes after the flip at 400 will equal to 48 total minutes. So let's go ahead and hit start, and there it goes. It will preheat first, and once it reaches the optimal heat, it will start cooking. You turn on the light and take a look at them while they cook. They'll start to crisp up, and they are absolutely delicious and moist and crispy. Just a really easy meal. Only a couple of minutes of prep, literally, and just stick them in here, flip them once, and then you're done. All right, so let's see how they look. We'll get sauces going. In this case, today we're gonna make two easy sauces. We're going to use some pretty simple household ingredients: honey, mustard, honey, and mustard. So we're going to make honey mustard sauce, which is a very simple sauce. So you get some honey, get some mustard. Sometimes I put in a little bit of maple syrup to kind of add a little bit, to make it a little bit more liquidy, because at the end of the cook, we're going to stick the wings back in a 2-gallon bag and we're going to toss them with the sauce. Okay, so we're going to do the honey and mustard sauce, and we're also going to do a standard buffalo sauce, which is store-bought over the counter. Okay, so we'll sauce them up and we'll show you guys a picture at the end. All right guys, we're back. I'm going to show you guys how to make your sauces really quick. For the spicier sauce, I got the Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. I like it. It's Frank's. It's not too spicy, but spicy enough for me. So that's just a straight dump it over the wings in a bag and shake them about. And then for the sweet portion of the sauce, we're gonna also make a really simple mustard and honey. So basically the honey mustard sauce, we're gonna start with a bit of mustard. Probably squeeze about 2 tablespoons in there. It's a good start. I like to add a little bit of maple syrup to it. It gives it a little bit more liquid when you shake it. Probably about 3 tablespoons of that as well. And then we're gonna do some honey. Alright, looks good. And then my personal preference, a little Grey Poupon Dijon mustard for a little bit of an extra kick. So there we go, about a tablespoon of that is what I'd say. And then just mix it about. And you got yourself a delicious honey mustard sauce. Simple as that. There we go. All right. When they're done, we'll baste them. We'll throw them in a 2-gallon Ziploc bag and shake them all about with each individual sauce, and we got dinner. All right, guys. So the 24 minutes are up. We're gonna do the flip real quick. You do it right here. You know, just have to do a little cleaning afterwards. They already look pretty good. They're starting to get a nice golden brown look to them. They're not quite crispy yet, but they do need some more time. So I'm gonna do a quick flip on all of them. Just get them in as nicely and tightly as you can. I'm not even sure if you actually need to flip them, but I do for some reason. All right, got one more right here. I need to flip that one. Okay, that looks good. We'll stick them back in for another 24 to 25 minutes and they should be done. Give this a little wipe. And there we go. All right, guys, so this is done. Voila. Air fryer chicken wings. Awesome, crispy goodness. Now we're gonna toss them in some sauce and we're good to go for dinner. Right, finished product. Delicious honey mustard and Frank's Red Hot. Crispity, crunchity goodness. Mmm. Thank you, EMERIL Lagasse. You're a kind gentleman.